Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make such an easy fettuccine chicken Alfredo. It's really easy to do, so be sure you like it, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. Without further ado, let's begin with the video. To get started, we're going to start using the Island Vibe seasoning, which I will leave the link down below to purchase yours today. Garlic, flour, oil, 1 cup of whole milk, and we also need oregano, parsley, salt, pepper, as well as some basil. And we're going to need 1 cup of parmesan cheese, as well as the chicken, and of course the pasta. To get started, we're going to boil the pasta. Just read the back of the box to get the instruction on how to cook your pasta. I usually add a little bit of salt and as well as some oil so the pasta doesn't stick, and then we're going to let the water comes to a boil, and then you can add your pasta. Okay, now after you add your pasta, let it cook for about 12 minutes or whatever's on the box, and we're going to move on to the chicken. Now for the chicken, I am going to use about 2 tablespoons of oil. Make sure that's spread out really good, and we're going to add the chicken. Be sure you check the description box to get all the ingredients and the measurement that I use in today's video. Now my chicken is nice and ready. I am going to flip them over, and then we're going to start seasoning this chicken, you guys. I am going to use the Island Vibe seasoning. I am using mostly the Island Vibe seasoning because this is the flavor that I need. The Island Vibe seasoning give it a nice flavor. If I want, I can only use the Island Vibe seasoning without using anything else. So now I am going to add the oregano, basil, parsley, as well as some salt and pepper. And we're going to make sure we cook this chicken until it's nice and tender. And make sure you flip it over as it goes because you want the chicken to be nice and golden on both sides. Now that the chicken is nice and golden, we're going to transfer the chicken to a different container. And look how nice and golden the chicken look. And it tastes amazing, you guys. The Island Vibe seasoning is the perfect seasoning. You don't need to add anything else, just the seasoning and some salt. You're good to go. Now to make the Alfredo sauce, I am using oil. You can definitely use butter. I didn't have any, so I am using oil. Now it's time to add the garlic. We're going to add the garlic and let it cook until it's nice and golden, just like so. Next, we're going in with the flour. I am going to add the flour a little bit at a time. Now it's time to add the milk. If you do ended up having lumps in your Alfredo sauce, it's okay. You can also mash them to basically make them turn into the sauce. It doesn't really matter. Okay, we're going to keep adding the milk in, and also keep stirring your milk because that's what's going to keep it from having lumps in there. So just keep on stirring it as you adding the whole milk in there. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, my heat is really low, so be sure you have your heat on low to prevent the lump and to prevent the flour cooking too fast. That's what's gonna cause the lump as well. Okay, now it's time to add the seasoning, basil, pepper, and the parsley. We're going to add that in there and stir it and let this simmer, okay? Now that our sauce is nice and thick, we're going in with the chicken. We're going to add the chicken in there. The chicken is nice and tasty. We're going to add it in there. This is another type of flavor that's going to be in the sauce. Okay, now by that time our pasta is nice and done. We're going to remove the pasta from the stove and we're going to pour it in a different container and add some cold water to it, and then we're going to add it in our sauce. Now it's time to add the pasta. It's nice and cooked. We're going to mix the pasta with the sauce. Make sure you get the sauce all over your pasta. The sauce is really nice and thick and creamy. It tasted amazing, you guys. It tastes amazing. Alright, now the pasta is ready to be served. This pasta can be served up to 4 to 6 people. So it's one box up to 4 to 6 people. It was really good, guys. I had it for dinner. I also filmed a mukbang. If you saw this mukbang video, kudos to you. Leave me a comment down below if you saw it, because I would love to see if you guys saw that live video. Do not forget to follow Island Vibe Cooking on Facebook and Instagram. It's Island Vibe Cooking on all our social media, so check us out. And yeah, guys, this is it. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Do not forget to subscribe. If you're new, you need to subscribe to the Island Vibe Squad and leave me a like. I know you guys can do it, so let's get this video to 300 likes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.